Hi, my name is Farai. I build lightweight, secure, FHIR-enabled applications to allow your healthcare teams to achieve fast, practical interoperability. Now let me show you something I've built. What you see on your screen is the architecture diagram of the application. It's a React frontend, an ASP.NET Core Web API, and an Azure FHIR Server as the universal source of truth. Let's jump right into it. Security first, of course. We log in, uses JWT. And what you see on the onset is a pretty dashboard. Here we have patient resources, which are being pulled by the API directly from the FHIR server. Typically, clients will ask for CRUD actions against Epic, Cerner, OpenEMR, or eClinical workflows, and the pattern is the same. I'll just delete this record here and recreate it. The front end does the validation of the form, the backend ensures that business logic is met, and the system will send a JSON object directly to the FHIR server. And we have our record created here. Now, to show you that this is actually FHIR in action, I will send a GET request to the server from my Postman with my custom token, and we receive some JSON here, which I have visualized for you because I'm a nice guy. And beyond that, HIPAA compliance is critical in healthcare, and we need to ensure that every action in the system is tracked and accounted for. So if I run this script from my database, we will see that login of ours, there's our delete, and our create action, all recorded and encrypted. So this has been the application at work. If you need any custom EHR integrations, custom FHIR applications built, or other healthcare interoperability solutions, it's a complicated word, feel free to get in touch with me and we can work together. Thank you so much for watching.